Hi guys, in this video I'll walk you through the process of changing your Facebook password and share a few tips of how to do it most effectively. Subscribe to get mentoring and let's go. To change your Facebook password, you need to access your account center. There are two places where you can do it. You can do it from Facebook itself or from Instagram. Let's start from Facebook. You need to tap on your profile icon at the top right. And scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy Center. Scroll down to this section, Manage Your Accounts. Now find Passwords and Security. Tap on Change Password and select your Facebook account. Now enter your current password. And now you need to create new password. You can do it yourself or use password generators like Bitwarden. This is very powerful and free password keeper and generator. So install this app. So you can go to the generator tab, copy your new password or regenerate or change the password length, change the types of symbols. I recommend you all types of symbols if it's allowed. So let's copy password, close the application, paste new password, retype, so paste once again, tap on change password. Wait for a while. So now you changed your password. In some cases, you may be required to confirm your email. You will receive a code to your email and just paste this code into a field in Facebook. Now let me show you how to get to your account center from Instagram. So let's open Instagram application. Now I'm logged out because I've changed my password. Anyways, to go to the account center from Instagram, you need to tap on your profile icon, then tap on three bars at the top of the screen, tap on account center, and do the same, password and security and so on. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.